Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Keyboard. Don't hesitate. Once inside, tap Keyboards, then choose the keyboard you want to adjust. If you need more control, install a trusted third-party keyboard now. Make sure it's enabled under Keyboards. This step matters because native options may be limited. By enabling a third-party keyboard, you gain adjustable height controls, so complete this prerequisite before moving on. Now you go into that keyboard settings and look for height, layout, or appearance. Use the slider or pick a preset. Compact, standard, tall, move it incrementally and watch the on-screen change. Once done, open Messages or Notes to test typing. Make sure to try Portrait and Landscape so the keys don't overlap UI elements. If the keyboard provides a resize handle, drag it slowly until the keys feel comfortable, then lock or save the layout. Finish by saving your new size and making that keyboard the default. This ensures you get the adjusted height everywhere. If keys misalign, revert to the default size and restart the app or device to clear layout caches. Make sure to update the keyboard app and iOS. Once updated, test again. If problems persist, check permissions and, if necessary, reinstall the keyboard app. This resolves most stuck settings and restores proper keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.